Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. We're trying to find the pressure difference in kPa for a person head to toe with a height of 1.85 meters tall, fully submerged in water. Step 1, draw your free body diagram, your FBD. This will help you visualize the problem. Step 2, list all the given and unknown what you're trying to solve. So we got the height, we got the water, and we're trying to find the pressure difference. Step 3, find the formula for pressure difference. So P diff, or P difference, is the pressure difference. So it's the head of the pressure minus the toe of pressure. So we've got P toe, which is in this case the absolute, but we're not actually trying to figure out the absolute. That's just a similar formula, which is equal to PATM plus rho GH, rho being the density, in this case it is the density of water, G being gravity, and H being the height. And we do the same for the pressure of the head. So similar formula, except the height is different. Okay, so the pressure difference, P difference, is the density of water multiplied by the change in height. So why is PATM removed? We are trying to find the pressure difference between 2 points, not the absolute pressure at each point. So that's the reason. Okay, step 4, find the pressure difference. We assume it's pure water, so it's 1000 kilograms per meter cubed. Okay, so 1000 kilograms per meter cubed multiplied by gravity, 9.81 meters per second squared, multiplied by 1.85 minus 0 meters, multiplied by your conversion factors. This is just to get your units into kPa. So the pressure difference is 18.15 kPa. Disclaimers, the method is correct, however I do make calculation mistakes. I encourage you to solve it yourself and see if you get the same answer. And before we leave, I highly suggest you save this video onto your PC just in case it gets taken down, or the channel. While I follow all copyright laws, sometimes things just happen. I'm sure you're all familiar with snipping tool. If you've never used it before, you can follow these instructions. So click on the icon in your taskbar. If it's not there, go into your Windows search, type in snipping tool. From there, click on the video icon or the video option. Then click on new. Then left click and drag the rectangle, cover the YouTube screen. This is just an example. Then hit the start button, wait for the countdown, then hit the replay button, let the video finish, and then hit the red square to stop recording, and then save your video. Alright, so like and subscribe, share with your friends, because this is a made-up question, so they won't be able to find it. If you got questions, comments, or you find a mistake, leave it in the comment section. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.